Namaskaram, dear all. Greetings and pranams from Pramayas. Again, this is your Amritavahini Yagniraman, General Secretary Pramayas, a Coimbatore based philanthropic organization functioning to promote art and music amongst you and society. Welcoming you all to be part of the results announcements of the mini concerts held after 2 rounds of deep selection. Performed by 10 young but tremendously talented finalists. And the same was live premiered both on our YouTube channel and through Facebook page on 25th October 2020, the Saraswati Puja Day. Now, a few of them are again with us here with their wish messages. As per their order of appearance in the competition, Master Siddhant Anantanarayanan from Singapore.
Namaskaram. I am Siddhant from Singapore. I am 9 years old, a disciple of Srimati Vaishnavi Anand. I was very excited when I passed the first round and came to the second round because I have never tried Manodharmam before, and this gave me a chance to give a shot for Manodharmam. And I am very eager to hear the results of the final round, as I hope I will be one of the winners.
Kumari Anantika Suresh from Delhi.
Namaskaram. My name is Anantika Suresh and I'm 10 years old. I study in 5th standard and I live in Noida. My guru is Srimati Meenakshi Deepak, who is currently living in Canada. I enjoy my music classes. Whenever she teaches me new varnams or kritis, she teaches me the meaning, and also she teaches me the stories related to the composition. I enjoy participating in this Premier's competition, and I had learned so many things. For the first time, I tried doing the Alapanai, the Nirval and the Swarakalpanai. Mostly I enjoyed learning the Swarams. My guru also taught me how to do the mathematical calculation and how to make those Swarams. And even during my free time, I just try making my own new Swarams. I had learned many things by participating in this Premier's competition, and I look forward to learn more new ragams and more kritis, and thank you.
Kumari Kamya Ravi from Delhi.
Welcome to all. My name is Kamya Ravi. I am studying in class 9th in DPS Sushantro, Gurugram, Haryana. I am learning music for past 4 years and currently from Srimati Niharika Shrikant. She teaches me very rare compositions and very rare Tamil varnams. She teaches with love and compassion. During this journey with Pramayas, I have learned so many things. Earlier I used to practice only once in a day. Now I have started practicing 2 times a day as per the competition. I've also earlier used to sing only the simple kriti without any Manodharmam aspects in many temples during Navratri and Margari Mahotsavams. Now I've started singing with many Manodharmam aspects. I also watch videos of legends. My heartful thanks to Sri Yagniraman sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to participate in the competition till the end. I'm also excited to know the results like the other participants. Thank you.
Master K.K. Raghavan from Hyderabad.
Hello, I'm KK Raghavan from Hyderabad, and I'm a disciple of Sri Dr. D.V.K. Vasudevan. I'm thankful for endorsing me to participate in this competition. My experience in this competition was prodigious. I also thank Sri Yagniraman for making me practice and letting me to the finals. I thank Pramayas as I'm so lucky to participate in this competition. I'm also happy to see many participants performing really good. All the best to all of them. Thank you.
Kumari Shruti Raman from Delhi.
Namaskaram, I am Shruti Raman from Delhi and I am a disciple of Srimati Meenakshi Deepak. Honestly, I am a beginner and through this competition I got introduced to a lot of new things in Carnatic music. I thank Pramayas for conducting this online competition, especially in the lockdown, and providing an opportunity to keep me motivated to practice singing. I hope the most deserving participant wins and I wish a good luck to everyone.
Master Raghavaraman R from Bengaluru.
I thank the Pramayas organizers for giving me this opportunity. Also, Pramayasல participate பண்றது ஒரு புது experience. Also, for these 4 months have been really hectic and I've been busy in practicing, and this has also helped me to learn many other aspects such as Niraval, Alapanai, Swarakalpanai, and also the way I practiced was that I used to practice the entire song every day. I ensured that I started my song well, and I never had any mistakes. And special thanks to my guru Vidwan Sri R Vasudevan for helping me. And I used to record the songs and I used to send it to him for verification, and he used to tell me when the recording was perfect. And also there were 2 options, Natakurunji Varnam and Malaya Marutam Varnam, but I felt that the Natakurunji Varnam was more technical, so I opted for that. And the difficulties that I felt that I felt to sing in this competition was that in the Padavarnam, singing the second speed was a bit challenging, and the Sahityam had a continuous flow in the Muktaiswaram and Chittaiswarams, so that was a bit hard to sing. And also in Balakrishnan and some other songs, I found it a little difficult to sing the Madhyama Kalam, and because I had to sing in the second speed, and also the Alapanai and all the Manodharmam aspects were a bit difficult, because in Alapanai I shouldn't divert away from the ragam, and in Niraval I need a bit of variety, and in Swarakalpanai I had to also have a bit of variety. And I currently feel really nervous about the results, whether I would back the top 3 or not, but at the same time I'm also really excited to know the 3 winners, and I wish everybody all the best for
Kumari Rihanna Praveen from Canada.
Namaskaram. My name is Rihanna Praveen and I am from Canada. I would like to give a special thanks to all my gurus, starting off with my mom, Shri T.N. Seshugopalan sir, Kalavati auntie, and Anjana Tirumalayaka for always motivating me. And a special thanks to my Amama, without which I would not be here today. The last few months have been a great musical journey with Pramayas. I've been able to venture out and learn different ragams, kirtanas and more. Pramayas has given us all something positive to look forward to instead of thinking about the circumstances with the pandemic. Thank you to Yagnaraman sir and his family and the judges for always boosting our confidence and motivating us. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Kumari Kriti Krishna Kumar from Coimbatore.
Namaskaram, I am Kriti Krishna Kumar from Coimbatore. I am studying in 9th standard in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School. I am learning music from Mrs. Prema Srinivasan and Ms. Amrita Shekhar. I am thankful to Pramayas for giving me this opportunity to participate in this competition. My parents and my gurus encouraged me to participate and I gave my wholehearted efforts. I was delighted when I initially cleared the quarterfinals and semi-finals. Finals was really a tough round for me where I learnt a lot from my guru. I thank Pramayas for providing the feedback from judges after every round, which was very useful to me. I was overwhelmed when I was premiered in the Pramayas YouTube channel during the Navaratri celebrations. I am eager to know the final results. Thank you.
Master Vishak Ramakrishna from Singapore.
Namaste. My name is Vishak Ramakrishna and I am from Singapore. I am a disciple of Srimati Vaishnavi Anand and N.R. Prashant sir. Initially when I participated in this competition, I thought it would be a normal rendition of the song. However, the second and third round pushed me to explore Mano Dharmam in greater detail. I thank Pramayas for allowing me to participate in such a creative competition and boosting my confidence. I'm eagerly waiting for the result tomorrow as I hope to be one of the top 3 winners. Thank you.
And Kumari Hiranmayi Anantanarayanan, also from Singapore.
Namaskarams to everyone. I am Hiranmayi from Singapore, disciple of Srimati Vaishnavi Anand at Chetas. This competition has given me an opportunity to explore the various aspects of Manodharma, and I am extremely thankful to Yajnaraman sir and Pramayas for coming up with this innovative competition which pushed me out of my comfort zone. I am very excited for the results and I hope I'll be one of the winners. Thank you.
Our esteemed judges witnessed the performances in real time and also had the chance to revisit the channel to listen multiple more times before putting their pens onto the paper and assess the performances, confirming to the rules and regulations. All the participants performed nice and the process of judgment and compilation was indeed tough, coupled with certain weightage from the online voting by the lovely audience, near and dear ones, which was closed by 10 a.m. this morning. And let us see what Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy, classical vocalist and guru from Chennai, one of our esteemed judges, got to say.
Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I am Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy from Chennai. Pramayas has been doing an excellent service promoting art, classical music, classical Carnatic music, organizing various musical events, and one among the best is this vocal music competition 2020, encouraging many children to participate in this great event. And I feel extremely happy to see all the children who had participated from the starting round, quarterfinals, until the end of the final rounds. I had been fortunate enough to watch quarterfinals, semi-finals, and also the final rounds, where I am officially also I have seen the students participating in the final rounds, and I had to critically listen to you all as one of the judges for the finals, and I had a tough time in being critical with you all. Congratulations to all the children who had participated in this event, who had reached up to this final rounds. I am amazed to see all the participants who had sung so well, very impressive, putting a lot of efforts and hard work and rendered beautifully. All the finalists deserve a big round of applause and appreciation for bringing their best, putting their heart and soul into their music. All the finalists have presented their music by adhering to the set of rules, and listening to all your mini concerts was just nothing but honey to our ears. by practicing more and more practice makes your music. I'm sure you'll all excel in your musical career. Congratulations to all the winners and congratulations to all the finalists. Though the results are announced officially as winners, all the participants who has reached up to this level of final rounds are also winners. They are also winners only. And I wish all of you all the very best and my blessings to you all. God bless you all, reaching greater heights in your musical career. This great event, Pramaya's Vocal Music Competition 2020, is of high standard with set of rules behind which is the complete dedication, hard work, full involvement and a great interest in developing and promoting the Carnatic music by Sri Ekiraman sir. We are thankful to you, sir, for bringing this great event, wonderful event, Pramaya's Vocal Music Competition, which has been a huge success. Thank you one and all. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Thanks, dear ma'am, and our other judges of today's and all the previous episodes too. And to keep you all guessing a little more and to make the waiting a little more interesting, Pramayas is announcing our next competition episode. That is Pramayas Bharatanatyam Competition 2021. Yes, almost on the similar lines of what we had this year for the vocals. No age or gender limitations. No registration fee or administrative charges. Participants who are keen are to just send a WhatsApp message to 98736 49468 mentioning the following: Pramaya's Bharatanatyam Competition 2021, name of the participant, age as on 31st January 2021. We will register, group them accordingly and get back with further details about the competition. The registration process has just started now, so please start sending the details and pass the message to other such aspirants. The WhatsApp number is 98736494668. I repeat, 98736 49468. And now we are ready to announce the names of the top 3 winners of the vocal competition 2020. Hold your breath. The winner, third in order of merit, is Kumari Kamya Ravi from Delhi.
கூத்தபிராணி மயவாள் மகருடல் தில்லையிலாடும் ஆனந்த தாண்டவம் காண ஆயிரம் கண் போதுமோ தேவசேனாபதி கந்தனை என்ற அமதோர் மகன் கனகசபையில் ஆடிடும் அழகை சொல்ல போமோ சாசாகை
The tough competition and the able judgment with all the ifs and buts decided the second position. And the winner, second in order of merit, Master Raghavaraman R. from Bengaluru. And competition is still not over. Ladies and gentlemen, we were just wondering, oh, what was that? We are confused, aren't we? Yes, a few of you would have rightly guessed by now. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear participants, Kumari Hiranmayi Anantanarayanan from Singapore and Kumari Rihanna Praveen from Canada jointly win the coveted first position. That is really, really deserving and amazing.
Sani da pama shame Padani sagari sani da pama shame Pada pa 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 Pada pa 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 Ga ma pa pa Ni sa
To say, due to the tie, the first in order of merit gets jointly decorated by both these talented and deserving youngsters. Dear parents of all the four winners, may we request you to communicate us with your Indian address and details for us to dispatch the certificates, plaques, and cash prizes. The winners will also be soon featured for exclusive thematic individual concerts by Pramayas for 1 hour duration. So, let them start preparing for the same. We will get back with the details. Congratulations, dear participants, and the winners, of course. All along, it has been a great time we had working with you. Those of you who have missed the positions are just by a whisker. We wish you to continue working on the desired path to prove that you all are the best. Our heartfelt thanks to the doting parents, gurus, esteemed judges of all the episodes, near and dear ones, well-wishers and supporters of Pramayas. To remind our dear viewers again, registration for Pramaya's Bharatanatyam competition 2021 for all ages has just commenced. No age or gender limitations. No registration fee or administrative charges. Participants who are keen are to just send a WhatsApp message to 98736 49468 mentioning the following: Pramaya's Bharatanatyam Competition 2021, name of the participant, age as on 31st January 2021. We will register, group them accordingly, and get back with further details about the competition ASAP. So, please start sending the details and pass the message to other such keen aspirants you know. We'll meet soon. Thanks, dear all. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shubhamastu.